my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make our family favorite pumpkin puree! We love pumpkin so much. The health benefits of pumpkin are ding, 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 ding. Today we're just gonna blend it all up and make a puree for you. So the first step that you have to do is chop this baby up. So after you chop the pumpkin, I come and steam it for around 15 minutes so it would look like this. You don't have to take the skin out yet. So maybe wait until it's a bit more mushy and like soft, and that will make it easier for the skin to come off. We use around 2 whole pumpkins because we eat a lot. So while waiting for the pumpkin to get steamed and all soft, you can do a lot of things. So what I like to do is eat some apples. Another thing you can do is also hug the other pumpkin and tell them that they will also get steamed. Just talk to them. Hey, how are you? Another thing you can do is watch movies with your dad. Or, since it's an orange theme, you can do some light stretching. It hurts everywhere. The pumpkin is, oh God! Okay, so now the pumpkin is done and you wait a little bit for it to cool down or else it'll be too hot to touch. But the steam is good to open up your pores, pumpkin pores. So just wait a little. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, I think it's ready. It's too hot. Okay, we'll wait again. Okay, it's ready. You use these guitiao spoons or a pig spoon to scrape off the skin and keep doing it. Put it in another bowl. After you're done scraping all of the skins off, it looks like this. And I put around 3 cloves of garlic inside. And it's ready to be mashed. So this is a masher from Buono, and it makes your life so much easier. So what you do is just push it. So we're gonna scrape all of this good stuff inside. So once the pumpkin is all mashed up, you add cooking cream, salt, mixed salt, black pepper, and butter. Stir it all together. It's also on low heat. Wait, it's also on high heat. Medium heat. Wait, it's also on medium heat. And you also pour in like a little bit of salt. So the pumpkin puree is done. So good. So make sure you try it and tell me if you like it or not. Don't forget to like, share, and press subscribe.